guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So love, today we are going to be heading to another how much YouTube pay me content, okay? And this one is a short video, okay? This is how much YouTube pay me for my short. So this my particular short, it went viral, like it went viral. So this is my most highest view ever in this my channel, like the most highest of the highest. They say, what is your most popular video in this particular video? So I hope you enjoyed this one with me, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Short too pays, but with this kind of view, what do you guys think? Anyway, we're going to be checking this out together. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share it, comment. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica Chonovek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria. I live here with my family. I have a daughter, okay? This my channel is all about vlogging, and sometimes I throw YouTube earnings sometimes, and I also throw sometimes reaction about my husband's country. So if you're interested, then please don't go nowhere, stick around, watch the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not. If you enjoy the content, kindly subscribe, put the subscription to all, so that each time I create a new content, YouTube will remind you. Yeah, I will give you a notification so that you know that your baby girl is up online. Yeah, so let's get started into this one. So this video is how many years ago? This video is since 2023. Yeah, 2023, October 2023. Okay, so this is when I created this video, and it was a throwback video after I gave birth to Madam, and I was doing like a throwback video and the rest. So it says throwback, shorts, wheels on the bus, Coco Melon Papa, Pretty. So the video got 107.6k view, okay, and a lot of watch hour. Hold on, the watch hour is 476 watch hour, okay. So that's the watch hour. Then the video is a 16 seconds video, okay. So it's a 16 seconds video. Then this short had 107,615 views, okay, since published. Then I got 363 subscribers from this video. Then shorts view, okay, it has 602.8 people. Most people watch it than swipe away, okay. They watch it than swipe away. This video was suggested by A Day in My Life as well. Like, the video was suggested by A Day in My Life. I have that video in my channel. Then this is everything is showing, the viewers, the engagement, okay. People watch it to the end though. From the beginning, people watch it to the end. Yeah, people watch it to the end because people watch the whole 15 minutes from the average viewer retention, okay. The audience is not showing returning audience because it's an old video. So the age is from 18 to 65 and is male and female, and from India, Indonesia, United States that watch this video. And not subscribed people watch it more than people that are subscribed. Yeah, from the audience. Then if you go up, people watch it from tablets, mobile phone, TV, and computer. Then this is my subscribers I got. Then we move to the revenue, and the revenue for this video for 107k is $3.22. So each short video, each short revenue you get from short is 0.01. Yeah, 0.03, 0.01 for 1k view. So the higher your view is, the more money you make. I feel that's how short is, okay. The more views you get, the more money you make, okay. In some niche, not all niche will make you this amount of money, all right. So you can see that 2.5k view in 365 days, I made 003. Then in March, I didn't make more money. I was making small views, 0 naira, 0 naira, 0 naira, 0 naira. $0, but overall I made $3.22 from 107,000 whatever view. So guys, this is it though. Like, it's hilarious, serious, and not serious, because okay, I did a video whereby I showed you guys how much YouTube pay me from a particular shot I made from 14k view. Okay, I made $57 thereabout. That video is in the channel, just check it out. So 14k view, I made $57. Then this one now, I have 107k view. I'm making $3.22. Like, short pay, yes, I feel is when your video get more viral, the more money you make. Okay, so if you're a YouTuber creating short and creating long content, just have this at the back of your mind that your short content audience may not watch your long content. Okay, so it's a two-way street. Okay, they say you cannot eat your cake and have it. Yes, so if you're creating short content, create your short content. If you're creating long content, only sticking on long content, stick on your long content. But if you're creating the both, create the both, because sometimes those people will still watch your long content if they are related. Because in my hair channel, okay, my short content viewers still watch my long content videos because it's related, it's hair channel. And in this my vlog, I noticed that my long content audience still watch my shorts, and my short content audience rarely watch my long content. Yeah, so in my vlogging channel, I have a two ways people. Yes, two ways audience. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is my honest opinion, guys. This is my own honest opinion about my channel. Okay, so please don't take it the wrong way. All right, short can be harmful to your channels in some people's ways. Short can be useful to your channel in some people's ways. For me, I do the both. I do short content, I do long content. I do all of them. Yes, because I am here for the money back. Yes, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video with me. Let me know. In the comment section, don't forget to give video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share a beautiful comment. What is your intake in this? Is it worth it? Is this short video worth it? Like, is it worth it? Let me know. And I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye, darlings.